Hi friends, my name is Saurav. Or in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create drawing app in MIT App Inventor. Right? So let's start. So that one is MIT App Inventor 2. So click on Start New Project and right here app name drawing app. Click on OK. Wait some second and then that one is your dashboard. That one is your first screen of app. So we need to drag and drop here one button for clear the canvas, second button for save the image, and third button is color change, right? So let's rename these buttons name. So color, like we are going to use here one color like green, right? Green color. Okay. So by default color is something black, right? So that one is button for save image, save a drawing, and then first one is clear the canvas. Right. Now we are going to drag and drop the canvas first, right? So here is your canvas in drawing. So just drag and drop this canvas here, and here height is fill parent and width is also fill parent, like this, right? And now we are going to use here block code to write our code, right? So first we need to click on clear button. So we need to change our button name also, right? So that one is our clear button. So we are going to rename this button clear and that one is save. So we need to change the button name. So click on OK. Let's go to now go to the block option and click on clear button. And whenever we click on clear, our canvas is clear, right? So call this clear, canvas clear, like that one. So now we are going to click on green button or drag or drawing or draw any render. How to do this thing, right? So it's very simple to do. Click on canvas and here you will see draw line option. So how to call this function, right? So we need to use here dragged option. Here is option is dragged. When canvas one is dragged, so we need to call this and then get position like start get x y and then use current x and current y, like this, right? So here we need to click on save button to save our drawing, right? So we are going to use here whenever we click on save button our image will be saved. So we need to call some action. That one is called evaluate but ignore result here and call canvas1 dot save. Here's option of save the canvas, save as, right? And that one is your canvas, like here. And we're going to use here name. So we need to use here join text for our image name, right? So here we will use join like this, and we need to initialize one global variable, right, to save multiple images, right? So here we need to create variable, initialize global variable, and name is save count, and here save count is first is 1, like this, and we need to choose get global count here and we need to use here another string like this. Okay, and here we need to use text box for our image. Default name is like my image, and here we need to use our image extension. So we are going to use .cpg, right? Okay, now we need to increase our global save account values, right? So save count values. So we need to do one thing, that is whenever we click on save button, so our variable value will be increased, right? So we need to use here this to increase value. So we need to increase that save count value, and here we need to use 1 numeric value. So whenever we click on save button, our value will be increased, right? So that one is our app. So now we are going to run this app and use how to use and how it looks, right? So that one is Canva. So I'm going to show you how it looks. So first we need to click on build option and create the APK file for app. So that one is our app, right? So you can draw anything here like this. I'm going to draw this, right? And now we are going to save this image. So we need to click on this save button, right? And now going to your gallery, here file manager option, and here is the option image, my image.jpg to show you that not this one is my and her. So okay, that one is our image, right? So we can save our drawing anytime, right? And if you want to clear your this image, you just click on clear button like this, right? It's very simple. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much for